This is the Bordeaux, a stylish and timeless creation in one of Niagara's finest addresses, Davis Heights. Designed in the tradition of Old World European and surrounded by Carolinian forest. 22 is finished with the highest standards of appointments, including limestone detailing, portico entrance, and lush landscaping. Presented by Carl Vanderkoop. This spacious bungalow is filled with contemporary lines, sensual reveals, and cool around every corner. Just imagine the possibilities.